Do you feel like your wife has emotionally checked out? Like she's physically there, but the warmth, the connection, the spark is just gone? Hey guys, my name is Natalie Lasso. I help business owners fix their marriage. If your wife feels distant, cold, or even resentful, it's not because she doesn't love you. It's because she doesn't feel you. As a man, you've been grinding, making things happen, pushing forward, but in the process, you've unknowingly starved your marriage of what it needs the most: your presence. If you want to reignite that emotional connection, you have to do more than just show up. You have to lead the connection. Let's get into how you do that. If you're letting her make all the decisions, drive the plans, lead the conversations, she's exhausted. Absolutely. She doesn't want another task on her plate. She wants to relax into your leadership. Start simple. Plan the next date night without asking her what she wants to do. Tell her this: be ready by 7, dress nice, I got us covered. That move alone reignites the trust, affection, attraction, and connection she's been craving. This is how you go from feeling like her business partner to being her man again. Some women, no matter if they operate more in their masculine energy, would love to be safe in the leadership of her man, which will make her soften up. She craves you to lead so she can trust you more. Lead with presence, not just provision. Your wife doesn't just want a provider. She wants a man who is fully present when he is with her. You've built your business by solving problems, thinking ahead, staying 10 steps in front. But your marriage, it thrives when you slow down, when you're with her presently, look her in the eyes and actually see her. Next time you're with her, put the phone away, shut the laptop, and when she speaks, listen. Not your job to fix or to strategize, but to feel her. This is how you go from roommate energy to deep, intimate connection with your best friend, ultimately. Which brings on to my next point. Speak her emotional language. You're used to efficiency, clarity, directness, business talk, but your wife's world is built on feeling. She doesn't connect through logic. She connects through emotions. So if she's upset, don't dismiss it. Don't defend it. And definitely don't try to out-logic her. Validate, acknowledge, hold space. Try this. Next time she shares her frustration, instead of responding with solutions, say this: that sounds really frustrating. I get why you feel that way. Then you pause. Let her feel you hearing her. This is how you go from being ignored to her feeling safe to open up to you because you are her protector. Listen, take the lead in fixing your marriage. If you're serious about rebuilding emotional connection, this is your moment to lead. Your wife wants to feel your presence, your strength, your leadership. If you're ready to step into that, let's work together. Book a call with me. Link to book is in the description, and let's get your marriage back on track starting today.